Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So there are many unboxings I have done today and I kept this one for the last. This is heavy. Like heavy. Not sure how heavy is the car, but the box is very heavy. So this is like the first time I have got something from Time Micro. It's a PSC Design. Yeah, this is from Time Micro. For a moment I got confused if this is actually Time Micro or I just bought something else. No, it's a Time Micro. This is the first time I'm opening something from Time Micro, and this is the first time I got something from this company. So let's open this up and see how the detailings are for this car. I need to cut anything. I don't want to ruin this package. Packaging is quite premium and very different than usual. So usually we see in the Inno and all the other brands, they have this open sleeve, but this is not open sleeve. In this case, this is a box, actually a cardboard box covered from all the sides, and there is a plastic over the acrylic case. This is really nice, actually. You see, Charger Brawler it says. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to pull this whole thing out. I'm just going to open it from here and try to pull the car out. I don't know how to open this. Give me a second. Yeah, I don't want to damage this box. I really like the box, so I'll just open it. Wow. This is like super premium packing. We have this card inside as well. It says something in the Chinese language. What I understood is that this is the some kind of limited edition maybe, and this is the number 3 of all the models have been created under. Okay, so this is in English. This is series number 003 from PSC Design. There is some history of the car, which of course I'm not going to read. I'll just put it back here and just push this box. I need to push this box inside. It's okay, I'll do it later. Let's put it on the side, but before that let's focus on this very premium box. You can see how clean this is. Even the box itself is very clean. It says Charger Brawler, Time Micro. Culture is everything, of course. Culture is everything. There are 2 screws over here and zoom. Look at that. Look at that side profile of this Charger Brawler. The white and black police theme. It says police on the side, LSPD. PS4 design logo is on the skirt here, you can see. The wheels are cool. It is having US flag actually on it. Yeah, it says 911 emergency. Good day for roadkill. Oh wow, on a police car, seriously. Wow, look at that. Look at that tail light, the police logo on the back, and the exhaust is so damn cool. Wow, I don't know if this, yeah, this is really nice actually. This is really clean, nice. This is your spoiler here, carbon fiber spoiler. I'll show you from this side. See, the exhausts are like totally different how they made them, and they are coming out. You see the profile? They're coming out. On the other side, we do not have. Well, actually, we do have 392 and highway patrol on it. I really like it, man. Just see that aggressive front profile. Damn good. This is a profile I love, man. The front guard, the headlights. There is something written over on the headlights as well. Fool you ever now, something like that. And it says police on the top, and you can see even from this angle it says police. And see this angle. This is just crazy. Wow. They have created this speaker on the side, and let's see on the top. This is your top view. Man, I have few other police cars. They are really nice, but Time Micro literally nailed the police version of any car. How cool the police lights are. Very nice, very good. So now I'm going to open this from the base, and I will show you if there are some details of the on the base. Inside it's just black. There's nothing much inside. It's just black, and we have, of course, what I can see is the steering, seats, and there is a roll cage in this car. Why there is a roll cage in this car if it's a police car? Well, I don't know. I don't care. All I care about that. I'm going to add this in my collection. I'm happy about that. These kind of models are very delicate to handle, so if you're buying it first time, just be careful. And these are not rubber, so don't push them or test them. Let's put this space on the side. Stuff on the side as well, and this is your base. This is very plain. I don't know if this is metal or this is plastic base. It feels metal. Yeah, it feels like metal. The car is quite heavy itself, which means it is not plastic. This is all metal. This is just really good. Oh. Yeah, it's all metal. We have thread wheels over here. See, these were the exhaust I was talking about. How cool they are. They're coming out like this, and they painted them silver, and this is sleeve on the exhaust nozzles. The silver sleeves. Let's see if this rolls. Wow, this rolls perfect. This rolls just like mini GTs, man. This rolls really good. I think this is the first Time Micro I got, and I am probably going to buy a couple more because they are very detailed and they roll well. Let's put this on the side. Okay, let's put this here. Because I'm going to show you a few of the police cars I have other than this particular one, and why I said this is the most detailed version. Let's put this here. So One is this from the Tarmac that I have. It's an Aston Martin. I think TB6 it is. Next is this Kaido house, Nissan R34. It does have opening hood. Okay, it's not opening right now. Yeah, it does have opening hood. Really nice version. This do not have any opening parts. I think I'm okay with that as long as it is highly detailed. And I have this Dodge Charger. I don't remember the make. It was in acrylic case and it is very heavy. See, the wheel came out, and that is the best part, I guess, because it does have this caliper details and the wheel somehow is hollow and it fits on it, and you can just roll it like this. The caliper is stable and the car's wheel is rolling. And this is very heavy, honestly. So these are just some really cool police cars I have so far. These 4 cars. And I have already pre-ordered the RX-7 from the Mini GT that just came in the pre-order this week. So I'm going to have another one soon. Let me know how many police cars you have. So far, this is my favorite. I love all these, but this is favorite. This is my top favorite. And then this, and then this, and then this. Based on the preferences. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Let me know if you want to know anything and if you want any particular unboxings. I'll try to bring that up. Bye-bye.